In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Shopify store from the public. Whether you're looking to make some changes behind the scenes or simply not ready for your site to go live, you'll find this guide incredibly useful. Let's get started by diving right into the process. First, access your Shopify store by heading to the Shopify homepage and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll need to navigate through the Shopify admin dashboard, which is the nerve center of your store, fully equipped with all the necessary tools to modify and manage your online presence. Keep an eye out for the online store section on the left-hand sidebar. When you find it, click on it, and it'll expand to show you several options. Next, within the online store section, you'll see a tab labeled Preferences. Click on Preferences, and it will open up a new page that is dedicated to configuring various settings for your store. These settings will allow you to customize how your store operates and is displayed to the public. Now, scroll down to the Store Access section on this page. Here, you have the option to restrict access to your store by enabling a password. It's important to note that to activate this feature, you'll need to be on a Shopify plan that supports password protection. If you haven't already selected such a plan, this would be the perfect time to consider upgrading. Assuming you already have an appropriate plan, you can now turn on the Restrict mode. This is done by simply toggling the switch that allows password protection for your store. Once Restrict mode is on, your store becomes hidden from the public. Only individuals who have the password you set can access your website. This is especially useful if you're not quite ready to launch, or if you want to undergo some private testing before making the site available to a wider audience. Remember that you can customize the password page by adding a personalized message or important details for those who encounter it. This can be a great way to keep your customers informed or leave a note inviting them back later when the store is fully operational. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively taken your Shopify store offline from public view, ensuring that only authorized visitors with the correct password can gain access. This method provides you with the valuable flexibility to work on your store without worrying about unauthorized access. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope this has helped you understand how to manage your Shopify store's visibility. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy customizing!